here we are, a group of almost 20 people trying to convey a message at the same time. Come on. And at the same time, having great fun. Hope you enjoy it. Here's the first task.
So the first task we have got to solve when we got here to Aachen was the Aachen Jigsaw puzzle. It mainly consisted of getting information from Aacheners and non-Aacheners and starting to work together as a team. So as you are going to see, we met a lot of interesting people. Have fun.
Also wie teuer ist jetzt eine Packung Aqua DJO?
50 Milliliter 49 Euro.
Okay, Dankeschön. Was die berühmteste Zeitung ist hier in Aachen, welche am meisten gelesen wird? Wissen Sie nicht? Nee. Okay, den besten Politiker? Irgendwie Politiker hier aus Aachen?
Ich glaube, die sind gleich Aachener Nachrichten und die Aachener Nachschusssage. Ja.
Okay, ja.
Wie heißt die denn? Und wie alt seid ihr? Hallo? Wie heißt die? Cool. Wie heißt die?
Well, this was Aachen Jigsaw, a game to get to know each other and to get to know the city and to compete in other groups. No, not really, but, well, we gained second prize out of 2. But it was fun.